Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you operations on sets. Operations. Operations on sets. Before doing this, we have one Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Actually, Venn is a mathematician who gave us the diagrams for sets and subsets. So he gives his name to that diagrams, that is known as Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are the rectangle is used for universal set, and for subset we have to use circle. Okay, this is a universal set. For always for the universal set we have to use the rectangle, and for subset we have to use the circle. Okay, now come to the operations. Operations on sets. In operation, first is union of sets. What are union of sets? Union is represented by this sign U, but the U is not like U. This is in a less height than capital U. So this is the sign of union. When union means combine. Union means combine. For example, we have A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B set is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Right? A union B means you have to combine the element of both sets, but the element which is repeated in these two sets, you have to write that element only one time. Okay? How you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8 and 10. So this is known as A union B. The combination of two sets is known as the union of sets. Okay, now come to the properties. What are the properties? Properties are, first, A union B is always equals to B union A. This is associative, this is commutative law. Now the second one is A union B union C is always equals to A union B union C. This is associative law. Okay. Now come to the third property. Phi says that if phi union A, you have to combine these two, so you always get A when you combine these two. Okay. Fourth property says that A union A is equals to A, and universal set union A is always, when you combine these two sets, you get universal set. Okay, so these are the properties on the operation on sets. Okay, now come to the second operation. Second operation is intersection of two sets. Intersection of sets. So we have, let us suppose, intersection means second operation, that is intersection. Intersection of sets. The intersection is represented by this sign, intersection. Intersection is represented by this sign. What is the meaning of intersection? You have to take the common elements, common. I will take the same example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. What is the meaning of A intersection B? A intersection means you have to take the common element 2, 4, 6, which are common in these two. 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 6 and 6. You have to take the common element between these two. In a Venn diagram, let us suppose we have A and B, two elements. This is a common portion. This is known as A intersection B. In the same way, when we have done this A union B, what is the meaning of A union B? There are A union B, A as well as B. A union B. So this is the Venn diagram of these two operations. Now come to the properties. Properties of A intersection B are: first, A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Second, A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. This is distributive, this is associative, this is commutative. Now distributive law is also hold here. A intersection B union C, it is a combination of, distribution law is a combination of two operations. This means it will equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. Now fourth, phi intersection A. What is the common in these two? That is equals to phi. Fifth property, A intersection A is always equals to A. Sixth property, universal set intersection A is always equals to A. So these are the properties related to the intersection of the sets, in which you have to take the common element, and union matlab you have to take A as well as B. Now come to the third operation, that is difference of the sets. Difference of the sets. Difference. What is the meaning of difference? It does not mean that you have to subtract. You have to exclude. This means you have to exclude difference of sets. Sets. It is represented by A minus B or B minus A. Subtraction, same the negative sign. Let us go same example. I will consider the same example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is 2, 4, 6 and 8. A minus B means you have to exclude all the element of B from A. Means 2 is present. You have to cancel this. 4 and 6. So the A minus B is 1, 3, 5. 2, 4, 6 is cancelled out and you get 2, 1, 3, 5. Similarly, you can easily find B minus A, means you have to exclude all the element of A from B. So only 2. 2 is also present, cancel out. 4 is also present, cancel out. 6 is only 8 is there. This means that A minus B not equals to B minus A. In the Venn diagram, if this is A, this is B, A minus B, if you want to find A minus B, means this is the A portion, this is B. Or in the Venn diagram, let us suppose we have two sets, this is A, this is B. This means if you want to B minus A, so this is the portion excluding A. Okay, so these are the operation. On the basis of these operation, we have 1.4 exercise of NCERT. Do that exercise, and in the next video I will tell you the complement of the sets and many more terms related to